Are you experiencing a noisy chassis?
In this video, we will go over how to fix this issue by replacing a component you might not have realized is causing the problem. At first glance, you may think that the sound is coming from the main chassis fans. However, in this scenario, the power supply fans are beginning to fail, which will result in damage to the system. To prevent this, we need to replace them. Let's take a deep dive into how to open up this PXI-1045 chassis. The first thing we need to do is remove the 10 outer screws that are holding the power supply in place. These are just standard Phillips head screws. Now that all the screws are out, slide out the power supply cage by firmly pulling it towards you. It should slide out without any issue, but may need a bit of force. There are 12 more screws that need to be taken out from the handle side of the cage. Next, remove the 6 screws from the side. As well as the 4 screws on the back side. There is a nut securing the ground wire that will need to be removed. It is easiest to use a pair of needle nose pliers to loosen this. Using the same pliers, you will need to disconnect the top and bottom fuse wires. There is a small wire in the back that will need to be disconnected as well. Next, you will need to dislodge these 2 cable tie clips that are holding the wire harness in place. You will now be able to undo this harness, which is connecting the main fans to the board. This should now allow for separation of the 2 halves. Slowly pull the wires through the opening, being careful not to damage the connectors. Next, remove the ring nuts connected to the B and C connectors. The screw securing the power switch will also need to come out. Be careful not to drop the small nut holding the screw in place. You will also need to remove the post securing the D-sub connector as well. Now, the back half should be completely disconnected from the main power supply. The cover panel should come free as well. These next 4 screws need to be removed from the panel. Once you remove these final 2 screws, the power supply can now be fully removed. It may be easier to work on if you remove these fins, which are held on by adhesive. To not overcomplicate things, we are going to leave the rest of these wires plugged in. We need to remove the fan grills to gain access to our problematic failing fans. There are 2 screws, one in plain sight, and one hidden underneath this label. There are 2 more screws under this mesh cover, as well as O-rings that need to be removed. The 3 screws on the side will need to be removed. Once you undo these next 3 screws, the top plate will come off, exposing the fans. Disconnecting this plug may aid in the final steps of the repair. Unplug the 2 damaged fans from the board's fan connectors. You will need to pop out the 8 plastic retaining pins that are holding the fans in place. There are 4 per fan. The fans should come right out, and the new ones can be slotted back in. Remember to connect them back to the fan controller header on the board. Now that the new fans are in place, reassemble everything back in the reverse order. And there we have it, a successful replacement of noisy power supply fans that would have led to complete failure of the system. Thanks for watching.